Good morning, dear students. This is the continuation of the second chapter which we were doing in the last video. We have to study about the senses, 5 senses, and what are they. These things I have mentioned in my last video of this chapter also. So, I told you about the 5 senses. They are sight, hearing, taste, nose, skin. And now we have to see what are their functions, what are the sense organs these senses possess. Eyes. Eyes are used to see. That is sight. Sight is the sense organ. Sight is the sense and eyes are the sense organ. Then hearing. Ears are used to hear. So hear or hearing is the sense and ears are sense organ. Now next sense organ is nose and the sense is smell. We can smell anything by the use of nose. So smelling is a sense and it can be used by nose. Nose is a sense organ. Now see taste. Taste is a sense and its sense organ is tongue. Tongue is present in mouth. Now the 5th sense organ is touch and skin. Sense organ is the skin and sense is touch. We can feel anything by touching. Like if we touch a hot glass, then we can feel it by our skin, the hotness. Now use of sense organs. What are the sense organs, for what they are used? Eyes, to see, to read, to watch TV. You can see your books, you can see the nature, you can read your books with the help of your eyes. This is one of the sense organ. You can watch TV. Second sense organ is ears. Ears is used to hear and for listening to music. Third sense organ is tongue. By using tongue, you can taste food, whether the food is bitter, sweet or salt. You can identify the taste by eating the food. And this can be done by tongue. And this will only done by tongue. And with the help of the tongue, we can speak, we can eat and we can swallow the food. We can swallow the food also. Then skin. With the help of the skin, we can feel hotness, coldness, hardness and softness. If we will touch a hot glass of milk, we will feel hot. If we will touch an cube of ice, we will feel cold. If we will touch stone, we will feel hard. And if we will touch fur, we can feel the softness of the fur. Now next sense organ is nose. And we can smell, whether it's a sweet smell or a bad smell. We can smell by our nose. We smell by our nose. Nose is the sense organ and smelling is the sense. Now here are some activities which you can do. Activity number 1. Name the body parts. Understood? What you have to do it, you just watch the video, listen it and then you can answer. Name the body parts. First one is smelling a cake. Which body part will you use to smell a cake? You can answer it here quickly. Now second one is running. Which body part you use for running? Now third, biting an apple. Which body part you use to bite an apple? Quickly you can answer here only by listening the video and seeing the questions here in the video. Writing a letter. Which body part you use to write a letter? Now let's move another activity. What you can see the pictures here. What you have to do it, you have to choose the body part that are in pairs. Legs, whether you have 2 legs or 1. Eyes, whether you have 2 eyes or 1. Nose, whether you have 2 nose or 1. Hands, whether you have 2 hands or 1. Look at your body, observe it, and you can choose the body that are in pairs. Pairs mean 2. 2 should be there. Now, activity 3. What 2 things you can do by? Now, write any 2 things or mention any 2 things you can do by using your eyes, and second one is by using your mouth. What are the 2 things you can do? You can write in your rough copy or just you can listen and answer the question. This is very much fun, so you can do it quickly. And now the homework is that 2 questions are given here. What you can do it, you can write the question and the answers. You can see the question from this video and you write the answers from the video. You can pause the video and write the answer. Question number 1, name any 5 body parts. Any 5 body parts, you look at your body and then you can name it. Any 5 body parts. Question number 2, name 5 sense organs. Any 5 sense organs. Whatever I have taught in this chapter, sense organs are mentioned there. You can write 5 sense organs. Not any, there are 5 sense organs. So you write 5 sense organs. This thing you can do. Thank you. And this video will be uploaded on Campus Care and you can see from there and get ready for the next 3rd chapter.